There's a bird in the house. Where'd it go? There it is. Oh my god. Penny, you're gonna come. Oh my god. Bird. Okay, bird. Go. No. And get downstairs. Hey! Go downstairs. Go. Dad? What do I do? Oh my god. Use this maybe? Try to get it. I'm so sorry, little bird. I don't know how he got in. My doggo tried to eat you. I'm sorry. Oopsies. No. Oh, shoot. Where'd it go? Hey. Oh my god. Oh my. It went behind the couch. Dad. Dad? There's a bird in the house! Oh. I have it. Go! It's in that bucket. Oh my god. Dad, I need help! Oh my god. Go downstairs, Penny. Maddie's here. I need help right now. Somehow a bird got in the house.
I know, I saw that.
I caught it. I caught it in this bucket.
On the window, and I was like, what the heck? And then I looked, and you're just like there, and you're yelling bird. I was like, oh no. What do we do?
Can you grab a piece of paper?
Seriously, what?
There's a bird. I caught it.
Bird?
I caught it in the bucket.
Oh my god, hold it there for a second.
Okay, so my mom said if I want to stay later, you left your phones at my house. If I want to stay later, then I have to finish my homework.
Alright.
Oh, I feel so bad for the bird.
I know. It kept flying around the house. Penny literally came so close to eating it. I got it all on film.
He is super glue. He's like, yeah, it fell off, and it really hurt. You just jammed it in the ground.
You're pinching it.
I am? Oh my god, I am.
It's okay. It's alright. It's relax.
I didn't really know what to do. I came to the stairs and I saw a bird on the window. I'm like, wait, what?
Open the door.
I was just going, oh my god. Fly away, be free. Yay. Okay, I'm happy now. All right. Penny, you freaking tried to eat it. Okay.